11 amazing Micro SaaS examples that all have Stripe verified revenue, so we know exactly what they're reporting is what they're making. Wherever you are in your SaaS journey, I think you're going to really enjoy these examples as they cover a range of revenue from doing around $1,000 a month up to $25,000 a month. So let's dive right into our first product here, and it's called Singing Carrots. It does $8.8 thousand a month in recurring revenue, and it was founded by Sergey Kayun. And this product is singing training for people who trust science, data, and numbers. So you can measure quite a few things from pitch, vocal range, and rhythm improvement, all packed into an interactive game. And they have 69,000 successful users. So if we take a look at an example demo of the tool here, it's going to provide you immediate feedback by visualizing your voice on an interactive piano, making it super easy to understand what you're doing. And overall, some pretty promising results here, as practicing for 20 minutes a day for 5 weeks gives you a 95% chance to expand your range by 2 notes. I'm not a singer, so I'm not sure how great that is, but it sounds pretty cool. And it's definitely been a slow and steady growth for this product. They got their first paying user in May of 2021, and that was $4.99. In March 3rd of 2023, they went and reached 4,000 euros per month. And in January 29th of 2024, they reported that MRR doubled, and they're currently where they're at now. Our next Micro SaaS is called Carter Maps. It does a self-reported $1,000 a month in recurring revenue, and it was founded by Franco Valdez. So it lets you build custom interactive maps, as building maps for websites is pretty difficult, and adding more customization than just pins is also a lot more work. And so that's why this tool was built. So you can design your map with ease, easily customize your map's appearance, effortlessly manage and edit styles, and collaborate with your team to improve these maps. It's a dynamic toolkit here that gives you quite a few features that would take you time to build out of the box. And the idea for this product came from when they were working at an agency. They had a client come in with a pretty complex set of requirements, and they were a nationwide service-based company. They wanted to dynamically show coverage based on a list of zip codes, and so it took them a lot of work to go and build this product, and that's when they realized they were onto something. They were able to transition this knowledge gained from building that project and understanding the problem into Carter Maps. In terms of revenue generation, pretty basic, and the status quo for SaaS companies generating revenue on a recurring monthly basis with different plans depending on the type of user. Our next Micro SaaS is called EBox. It does $2,000 a month in recurring revenue. It was founded by Joachim, and it lets you manage your data ethically. The founder's been working on EBox for 5+ years now, and now has reached over $20,000 in ARR. So this tool is going to allow people to save money, as it's going to replace a bunch of proprietary applications. You can see how their price compares to others here. So for EBox, it's $99 a month for 8 open source applications, whereas you would need quite a few different services that would cost you around $188. So you can install your applications in one click, and you can manage your applications without technical knowledge. They also went completely open source here, and they don't spend any money on paid advertising. If you've gotten this far in the video, I'm sure you want to build your own Micro SaaS, but first you'll need some ideas. I have a link in the description below where you can get sneaky Micro SaaS ideas you can steal for free. All you need to do is enter in your email. So again, there's a link in the description below. I also have a full course on how to build your very own Micro SaaS, even if you don't have any product ideas or any SaaS experience. There's also a link for this in the description below, so make sure you check that out there. Our next Micro SaaS example was founded by Andres Reinman. It's called Email Engine, and it does $8.6 thousand a month in recurring revenue. The idea for this product came from when they were experiencing writing code to handle email protocol stuff inside of an app, and they realized it was pretty difficult. And so they built a self-hosted solution for developers and businesses. It's going to make it super easy for other people to make use of what they built rather than having to do it themselves. It was also quite successful in Product Hunt, hitting #2 product of the day. Our next Micro SaaS was founded by Hao. It's called Chatbots Place, and it does $4.3 thousand a month in recurring revenue. So it's an all-in-one AI platform, allowing you to try out 10+ AI chatbots and image generation tools in just one platform. So it's going to use all the popular tools here, from ChatGPT 3.5 to 4.0 to Claude, Jurassic, Palm, SDXL, and more. It was originally created as a place to share prompts, but then they realized most of their users were just using the chatbots. So they pivoted and renamed it to Chatbots Place, as originally it was called Prompt Zone. They made it super easy to access all of these tools. Our next Micro SaaS is called Docu Writer.ai. It was founded by Mark Torrent, and it was made to help developers document their code. They do $3.6 thousand a month in recurring revenue, and it's automated AI-powered tools to generate code and API documents, tests, and code refactors from your source code files. They have over 4,300 developers using this tool. It's I think just going to save you so much time as it's going to have automated code documentation generation. In terms of revenue, it's going to be done on a monthly basis, going from a starter to an enterprise plan. You can see how the tool looks here. Overall, I love these sliding things, as you can see the before and after. It really shows the effectiveness, as if we drag this over here, it's going to automatically generate code comments and doc blocks to your code base to make it easier for someone else to understand. Our next Micro SaaS is called Links. It does $24,000 a month in recurring revenue and was founded by Charlie Clark. They have around 4,200 customers. It makes it super easy to create elegant landing pages for your links. So you can gather all your links from social media, music, videos, and more in one place and create a page that matches your style. You never have to worry about changing your link in bio again. They're an extremely affordable link in bio app too, starting at $4 per month, when you're getting quite a few different features. It looks like everything apart from customizing your domain and a few management profile features. Charlie also managed to launch this product extremely quickly and got the idea validated. They launched Links on Product Hunt 10 days after they started development, and that gave them the validation they need, as people were willing to pay for links right away. This was a tangible metric that the product was more likely to succeed. Our next Micro SaaS does $22,000 a month in recurring revenue. It was founded by Angus Chang, and it's the world's most trusted bank statement converter. And it makes it super easy to turn your PDFs from your banks into CSV files or Excel files that make it much easier to access that data. And the product idea came from their own personal problem, as they needed to go access bank data for their tax reports. And then when they went to do so, they realized there's no CSV file for this. It's only PDFs. And so they built a tool that helps solve that issue. And it turns out tons of other users have the exact same issue. So this tool works with thousands of banks, and they cater to both individuals who are looking to convert around 400 pages all the way up to enterprises and businesses who need to use this on a more regular basis. Our next Micro SaaS is called Intend. It does $9,500 a month in recurring revenue, and it was founded by Malcolm Ocean. And it lets you be purposeful and get into flow in just 10 minutes. And it helps you increase productivity, as it's not about how much you do, but about knowing why you're doing what you're doing and having fun while you do it. And so this tool is comparing itself to life coaches, as those can charge hundreds of dollars a month to keep you on track towards your goals. Intend costs less than that on a monthly basis, starting at $12 a month, where you get access to all features. And they even do one-on-one coaching if that's what you're looking for. Our next Micro SaaS is called Chrome Stats. It does $4,600 in monthly recurring revenue, and it provides historical stacks, competitive analysis, and a 360-degree view of every Chrome extension in the Chrome web store. It was founded by Hao, and Hao was also the founder of Chatbots Place. And overall, they get a ton of visits to their website, as in May 2023, they had 420,000 users in just 30 days, and that was a doubling from the 210 they had before. In terms of revenue generation, it's on a monthly basis. They even have one-day access, as I probably had a lot of people saying, I just need to use this for one day. I don't need a recurring subscription. So it looks like they're capitalizing on that market there. Our last Micro SaaS is called thumbnailtest.com. It does $24,000 a month in recurring revenue, and it was founded by Rox. And so the value proposition with this product is that the competition charges 2 times as much for half the functionality. So they came in with thumbnail test, and it makes it super easy to A/B test your YouTube thumbnails, so you can get more clicks and views. You can test the best version of your video. This takes the guesswork out of it, and your thumbnail can make such a massive difference to the performance of a video, so it's an absolutely crucial tool. They have over 1,000 channels served and 1.9 billion views measured. In terms of how they generate revenue, it's going to be on a recurring monthly basis. It's been featured on some massive channels such as Think Media. And when Think Media actually posted this video, they had 30% growth in just that 1 week. Before this video ends, I want to mention one more time that there are free SaaS ideas in a link in the description below. I also have a complete course on how to build your very own Micro SaaS, so check out that link as well in the description. So this is going to conclude the video. Here we went over 11 different Micro SaaS examples that all had Stripe verified revenue. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but I have tons of videos just like this on my channel, so make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.